Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to bulk delete Mailchimp contacts. First of all, open Mailchimp. Go into Audience, then tap on All Contacts from here. You have the details of your contacts in here. Tap on Add Contact. Select the email address. From Action, you can see a few options like Unsubscribe, Resubscribe, VIP, Archive. Click to remove or add tags. Tap to manage contacts. Select the Data Management tool from here. Data Management tool is now open. Select the email, then click on Permanently Delete. Type Permanently Delete to confirm. Then click to continue. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.